Most dickhead YouTubers waste your time by telling you like, okay, so this is what you do, and you do this, and then you do this, and then wow, you have the fucking girlfriend. Wow. I'm not gonna waste your time in this video. I'll tell you exactly what you need to do. So what you need to do is, you need to polarize women. So what does polarize mean? It means you're taking her from this androgynous state where it's like, it could go either way, like either she can reject you or either you guys could be in a relationship. But now, it's just stuck here because you're a fucking pussy, let's just admit it. You're just such a pussy that you don't even admit it that you like her. You haven't even shown her your interest. Like you haven't even actually given her any value. So how do you get out of this stage? You give her by giving a nice compliment, and I'll tell you the compliment in a bit. So let me tell you my story for a second though. When I was in school, I had this massive crush on this girl in like 6th grade. And I was such a fucking pussy, I never showed her my interest. I just kept fucking delaying it. I was like, oh, it would hurt. What if she reports me to the teacher? Oh god, it's gonna hurt. And guess what happened? Was I able to make her my girlfriend? Of course not. I think it was like after literally 3 weeks, I saw her entering the classroom with this another guy. They both were fucking holding hands. You know the worst part? I think this fucker knew that I had a crush on her, and he still fucking did that. What a fucking dickhead. Yeah, but that's that. So that's the reason you have to polarize her. Now I look back at it and I think it could have gone either way. I just never really showed my interest, and that's the reason it fucked up. The kind of compliment we're gonna give is just really simple. We're not gonna fucking simple her or send her fucking cute texts like, what are you doing? You're cute. No, we're not gonna do any of that bullshit. We're just gonna go up to her and tell her, I think you're cute. I think your hair looks really good. I love your dress. You got a really cute smile. I think you're sexy. That's just gonna let her know that you are interested in her. And now she's gonna put you in either of the state. Either she's gonna friend zone you or just completely reject you. Either she's actually gonna think of a possibility that you guys could be together. Most of the time you can literally tell by her facial expressions. Don't bullshit yourself. Most guys fucking know that. If you literally give a girl a compliment, if she makes this awkward face, oh thank you, then she's literally not interested, bro. Come on. We can tell that. We fucking know that. Don't bullshit it. And if she's like, oh thank you, now we're back. Sorry about my fucking camera. Yeah, you can literally tell if she's interested when you give the compliment. Don't bullshit yourself. Every guy knows this. So there you go. You're exactly gonna know instantly without having to go through that fucking pain of regret. This fucking regret that what if. Hope you found some value in this, bro. You can scroll down right now and click on the subscribe button. Also click on the post notifications button so you don't miss any new upload from me. I also provide self-improvement coaching. You don't have to be alone in life struggles anymore. Click on the link right now. Thank you.